vampire now. I work from 9 to 5, as in 9 at night to 5 in the morning. I get home and it's still dark out, luckily, so I can sleep and I don't burst into flames. Wake up around 1 or 2, still have tons of stuff I can do. It's so weird, you wouldn't think that overnight gives you more time to be alive, but it does. I literally run out of things to do. Everything is going to improve. At first it seemed like it could be a bad thing, but now I think this might be one of the best things to happen this year.